And good evening, everyone. Going to do a little quick weather diversion for you here, just checking out things because of the situation that's coming up. So if you're here, come on in, make a comment. And if you're not, well, you're not. Anyway, got a messy, stormy situation coming up. It's not like you haven't seen this before, but it comes in several stages. So that's why I just want to give you a little heads up as you take a look downtown at St. Peter Cathedral, the Gannon IHAC building, and we actually have some stars out tonight. So it's very tranquil like right now. In first place, Jen Forever Young, thank you for joining in. Hello, Leah. Hello, Vicky, and anybody else who comes in. You guys realize I got about 10 minutes to do this because I got to be on the air, and hopefully there's sound. Hopefully there's sound. So if can you hear me now? That's all I can say because I really have to get going there. Hello, Ellie. Long time no see. It is okay out there. Hey, Dave Y. So we're good. We're good for now, but that will change in several hours. Thanks, Becky. Already down to 14, and that's because of the clear skies. The clouds are going to come in, the temperatures are going to go up, snow is going to come down. GFS, good to see you. Thanks, Jed Forever Young, for the mic check. Leah, thank you. Hello, Christine, and welcome all. All right, let's do it. Get you some graphics here just to show you the sequence. And I put this out on Facebook before. Thanks, Josephina. It's a timeline, okay? And this is what we know right now, okay? It's what I like to call weather roulette. Everyone's going to start with some slushy snow in the morning. Before it changes over to sleet, freezing rain, and rain, you could get 1 to 3 inches in the north, and that's Erie, Chautauqua, northern Crawford, northern Warren, and maybe 2 to 4 or more to the south, Meadville, south of Warren City, down to Oil City, Franklin. So you got a little snow. Now there's not going to be a whole lot to wake up to, but this stuff will happen in the morning, and then by lunchtime you're doing this stuff, and then in the afternoon you're doing that stuff. So you're going to rain eventually, but by tomorrow night and Thursday morning, we're going back to snow, and then you're going to accumulate some snow after that. So that's what I'm talking about with the weather roulette. And we're handling this storm in chunks, okay? So the first chunk is a winter weather advisory. That starts at 5 a.m., it goes to 4 p.m., and that's for the snow, the sleet, the freezing rain, and then it goes to rain, okay? And then we will probably have another alert. Sorry, I feel a sneeze coming on. I hate it when that happens. Then we will probably have another alert once we get past the rain. So this is the front end of the storm right here. Okay, this is what happens from when it starts. And this guy says it's starting like around 4 or 5 in the morning. Okay, so 4 or 5 in the morning up until lunchtime. Now you're going to see the numbers stop, right? They're not going anymore. They've stopped. So by lunchtime, it's trying to change to a mix or to rain. And that's why we say here, like 1 to 3 up here and 2 to 4 here. And if you're in GFS, I know you're here. So I want to put a little thing down here for you guys in Venango County. So you might get a little bit over 4 there. Okay. So that's the first chunk of the storm. Okay. Then we go to that mixed precipitation and, showery kind of weather the rest of tomorrow afternoon. And I'll give you a little look at what that looks like on the map. Okay. Let me find a map for you. Okay. So we'll do this. So here we are, clear skies now, clouds thicken up. After midnight, this stuff starts coming in, 5 o'clock in the morning. It's in the form of wet, slushy snow into the lunch hour. And then here comes the pink, that's the mix, and the green, that's the blue. So it goes to showery above freezing temperatures, liquid rain into the evening. And it's also windy tomorrow. I want to point that out. And then you're going to see these arrows all turn around after midnight. This is 2 o'clock in the morning tomorrow night, Thursday morning. It's changing back to snow, and it's snowing on Thursday. Okay, lake effect snow into Thursday night. All right, so that's the sequence. That's what's going on, and that's why we're saying, the winter weather advisories for one portion of the storm, and then you get some rain, and then you get the third section, as I'm calling it right now. That's the more snow section. So notifications have been few and far between. So I think there's a thing you can do with the little bell where you can set it to get all notifications from this site. That's what I'm told. Hi, Jane from Sinclairville. Yes, it is a more winter-like pattern for you guys. Ashley, yeah, it would be better if the ground would have froze. Good. Exactly, and that's what I put on the Facebook post, Billy. I just said it's the old adage. You want the weather to change, just wait a little. What's on the other side of the snow totals? Funny you should ask, Adam Ripley. It should be all out of here by during the day, Jen Forever Young, on Friday. Friday doesn't look like a bad day. And Miriam from Oil City, good to have you in the fold. So these are preliminary guesses. And again, see this thing, it says subject to change. So we're looking at potential for Thursday into Friday morning here. So you could add another 4 to 8 up here in the blue, and another 1 to 3, or perhaps 2 to 4 to the south. And that's the furthest part from where we are now. So I'm not doing a lot with it. I'm just putting out a potential now, because I probably will have to fine tune this. We will have to fine tune this, Tom, Craig, and I, as we go through tomorrow. But it gives you an idea. So this is the deal. Let's do it one more time. Overnight, 5 in the morning, it comes in. By lunchtime, it's pretty much spent the beginning side of the snow. And you guys see what that is. All right. And then it goes to rain, a little bit of freezing rain, not a lot of ice expected. And then this can happen as we go into Thursday. So I hope you guys got the sequence, because it comes in stages. And that's what I'm saying. Give you a few temps right now. I'm about 3 minutes from airtime. Hello, Dorian's here.
Tom.
What's
How's
going
it
on?
going, weather inversions, folks?
Weather diversion. It's okay.
Ready for the show.
Okay, how much time we got?
About 4 minutes.
All right, we're still okay. So I still got time for a couple more questions. Centerville. Good to have you here in Centerville, Ashley. If you come back tonight and Borough Burbs Bob is on, he'll explain it, Terry J. Or if you look at last week's or last night's show, he explained it on then. So it's good. Carrie Rodler, good glorious evening to you. Say hi to Chris for me. What do we got in the beginning here, guys? Do we have a package?
Yeah, there's one package and 2 deals.
Okay, so we got a couple minutes here. And so did you want more cowbell? Now you got cowbell. And that's also Patty Richards, part of your deal. Hello, Brenda. Hello, Adam. You're welcome. And Sean, welcome back to the fold. So that's the deal. Over the next 2 days, Lisa Falutz in the house. All right. Harry, good to see you. So again, it's huge cowbell too. Thanks to Patty Richards. Anyway, So you're welcome, Patricia. That's the deal. Okay. And we're just going to take it time period by time period. And it's not starting until right before daybreak because it's still clear now. So slushy, wet snow to wake up to, changing to a wintry mix, and then to rain in the afternoon. After midnight tomorrow night, it goes back to lake effect snow. And the morning rush actually on Thursday morning could be more of a pain than it will be this morning or this Wednesday coming morning. All right. So thanks for everything. I got to go do Fox 66. And I will be back on this very same venue with more time and more weather information on the Weather Nightcap at midnight. And, well, uh, ask the groundhog, Lisa Falutz. You know, he's coming in what, another week and a day? Maybe he can help you. Diane, good to see you. Good to see you all. If you can come back later, we'll talk some more. I agree, Harry. Let it snow. It's winter. All right. Gotta go. Take care. Have a great Tuesday night.